Coming to Freddy Mangboy Nolania. May ku khatur lakit leo sungin. Boy pai mulik ay tong swak mi. Kator ding mi her sanak jam sianak jutuarin. Tu vekin kan ma raltlân poltio. Pulau takin veka. Intel termi para lungai nak tampikan neih dalam raltlân kan ya masih hediang ini opportunity min pe ya pulau takan itu masih kan lom lutuk Juan. I want to thank Mizoram for letting us to live in your state. There are a lot of problems in Myanmar.
It's okay. As we know that there is a lot of problem in Myanmar, Burma at the moment, and I'm sure Freddy has family there as well. So we're so grateful that he's here taking part. It's okay. It's okay. So I want actually the community all around the world to hear your voice, to hear the voice of Myanmar, and we're just so glad you're here. Do you have family in Myanmar right now?
Yeah, we have our house in Falam, and also it is not. The government is not letting people to live there. A lot of my friends have sacrificed their life, and we can do nothing. But I will try my best to sing in here because if I got the prize, I will donate them. Yeah, that is.
Yes.
And yeah, I want to ask you guys to pray for Myanmar. Always pray for Myanmar.
We will definitely pray for Myanmar. Thank you, Freddy, so much for taking part in this. And I know that God will bless your efforts, okay? Take care of yourself. And I hope to see you in the next round, okay?
Thank you very much.
Thank you.